We're looking for the competitive edge. This is something that we're very conscious of in providing the best service and support that the industry can offer.
We represent best-in-class machines, and this provides our customers the ability to become more and more productive.
I see companies being able to grow, and we see that as success for them and ultimately success for Elliott-Matsuura.
We represent 13 different manufacturers of machine tools coast to coast in Canada, from milling to turning to coordinate measuring machines to fabrication equipment.
Matsuura, Nakamura, Zeiss CMMs, Herco, that makes us different. Basically, it's a one-stop shop.
We are a complete in-house service, from installation, calibration, interface, of additional axis. That's our strength.
And because of the level of experience, we can provide a very, very thorough solution and maybe provide some ideas that the customers have never seen before in the industry.
Manufacturing has become much more complicated. The skill level, I would say, has not kept up. So we find ourselves today more acting as a consultant and a solutions provider than really just selling the machinery itself.
We have 14 application engineers on staff to be able to help our customers with their learning curve after machine installation, to be able to start making components for that customer very quickly.
Elliott-Matsuura has the most service techs and application engineers based in Canada. So we are there responding to calls. We do not leave a customer behind, as they say.
For me to come in and work with this team, second to none. Yes, I can say it's 67 years strong, but it's the actual personnel I get to work with. So 25, 30 years plus. You can't put a price tag on that.
I've had a relationship with Elliott-Matsuura for about 30 years. I've worked with the same engineers, I would say, over the last 25 years, and it completely changed the way that we do our business.
It's not just a question of buying a piece of equipment. It goes much deeper than that. Frank Hadar and his team have helped us put more machines in here than we would have otherwise been able to afford. We're about to buy our 5th machine, so I think it's worked.
The relationship with Elliott is a true partnership in every sense of the word. When they make a commitment, they stand by that, and the level of service and support that we receive from them is really second to none.
Here at C&S Systems, there's 4 people. It's myself, father, my brother, and then our mum does the books as well.
Elliott-Matsuura's financing options enabled us to purchase the high-end equipment that we've always wanted. So we probably wouldn't be in this business today had it not been for Elliott-Matsuura.
We work with industries across many different disciplines, from oil and gas to aerospace to mold and die. We offer products that are able to mill, turn, even additive manufacturing. The key to our success is finding skills they need to make them successful.
Ce qui différencie Elliott-Matsuura principalement de la compétition, je dirais, c'est au niveau du service. Plus technologique également, parce que le marché a tendance à devenir beaucoup plus high-tech, beaucoup plus d'automatisation.
We, as management team and with our engineers and our sales team, try to build the trust, the confidence in the customer so that they know when they come to visit Elliott or they require support from Elliott, they're getting the best in the industry.
We have a ratio of 4 technical people for every one of the 12 sales engineers that we have out on the road. This is support that our customers need to keep their machines up and running, making money.